I'd like to show you a gift wrapping idea for a square box. Can be made from any combination of paper. Prepare 2 sheets of paper. The main paper size is about 2/3 at the bottom and about a little longer at the top. Make sure the length covers the size of the box completely like this. The second paper size, the width is a little larger than the top side, and the length should be a little longer than the main paper. Fold the right edge slightly for a clean edge. Place the secondary paper on the top area of the main paper. Tape down to secure. Stick a few pieces of regular tape on the bottom. Place the box, then put over the right edge of the paper in the left corner of the box. Crease the right side corner, then the right corner next to the right. Remove the box and fold it at the crease mark. Fold them in parallel. Place the box back. Wrap the box tightly. Then continue to crease the left side of the paper. Fold the left side in parallel along the creases. Put the box back here. Overlap the paper and cut off the excess part of the left edge of the main paper. Then cut the second piece of paper a little longer than the main paper. Tape down this end. Place the box on the paper like this. Put the double-sided tape on the right edge. Close it tightly. To close the bottom of the box, fold down the top and fold in the end both sides. Make sure you have a nicely finished creases to the end. Pull up the bottom grip and close with the double-sided tape. Make it stand. Then make sharp creases in every corner. Here is the seam. Align this edge with this edge, and this edge with this edge. Then fold it like a brown paper bag. Folding 2 pieces of paper together is a little hard, isn't it? Try folding while adjusting them back and forth. Apply double-sided tape to the seam and close. Fold down at the corner. Do the same on the other side. Open both sides and put them together. Align the creases on the both sides. Fold it back and forth in the center. Make nice and sharp creases. Reopen both sides. Fold it back and forth again, then crease at the corner. Cut off the top with a crease. Open both sides again and fold back and forth in the center. Align this edge with this corner and this edge with this corner. Then slowly open the top according to the natural flow. Fully open the top while making clean corners. This is a seam. Start folding at this corner. Fold this tip to the center. Fold it back using the crease. Make a clean crease. Do the same for the lower right. Fold the other 2 corners in the same way. Make sharp, clean edges. Here you are, it's done. If you have double-sided paper, you don't need secondary paper. Cut it to the same size as the main paper and wrap it in the same way. Enjoy!